The Blue Lagoon has extended its closure again to December 14th. The town of Grindavik is still empty and will remain empty most likely into the new year. What does this all mean for the volcano? Well, we know that the long-awaited eruption has not yet taken place despite earthquakes shaking the southwestern part of Iceland for over a month. Experts are starting to speculate that the earthquakes may be due more to tectonic activity rather than magma flow. This is not saying that magma isn't flowing though. Now, what does this mean? This is a long way of saying we still don't know. The extension of the closure of the Blue Lagoon along with the town of Grindavik still being considered dangerous is an indicator that things are still uncertain. Earthquakes still continue to shake the area and the danger to the geothermal power plant next to the Blue Lagoon is still very high. The ground in this area in particular continues to shift as land continues to rise and fall as earthquakes hit and lava flows underneath. As of right now, the area around the Blue Lagoon in particular is still considered to be the most likely place for the epicenter of this volcanic eruption. The people of Grindavik are still displaced and some have not gotten apartments yet and are still in more temporary living situations. Will we get an eruption? We don't know, but the danger isn't over yet. All we can do now is wait and see what happens next.